Hi guys, I'm back. I just want to show you how to change your local host to a domain name in order for you to do social authentication in Django. As some social websites like Facebook or Twitter don't allow users to redirect to a local host. So this will solve that problem and will allow you to implement social authentication in your website or your web app. Now, first thing you want to do, go to your project. Here it is in PyCharm. Open your terminal and install pip install. Okay, just go to your directory bookmarks. Just pip install social authentication app Django. Okay, now just install that. It might come pre-installed. I did install mine and it was already installed. So just to be sure, just do that. After that's installed and while that's installed, go to your settings file, and in your installed apps, you add the following: social Django, and that's it. After you've done that, you need to migrate your database. I won't have any migrations as I did it, but there are a few migrations that will come up with the social authentication module. Okay, after that, you need to add a URL for yourself. Now, the URL is called social authentication. Now, let's quickly do this. So, raw string, just call it social authentication. Social, sorry you guys, authentication. Okay, that's it. And then um, you include the social Django URL. Social Django URLs. So just give it a name here, namespace equals, I'm gonna call it social. Okay, after you've done that, just make sure, okay, I forgot the comma there. You include here Django.urls import include. Okay, once you've done that, you need to edit your host file. Now that's located go to your file explorer. Then you go to your drive, your C drive. It's located in System 32. Okay, located C drive, programs or Windows. System 32. From System 32, you go to drivers. And etc. hosts file. Now open this with your notepad. Once you've opened that, at the very bottom of this, add the following. Don't put a hash there. Just add the following: 127. Which is your localhost settings or your IP address, and then your domain name. What you want to call it? I'm gonna just call it mysite.com, and save that. Okay. Now, once you've done that, go to Python, open your console. And then run server, python manage.py run server. Okay. Once you have this server up and running, I'm going to show you something. No, but the name Social Django. That's probably by my URLs. Social Django. Social Django. Settings. Where's my settings for? What's going on here? I'm quickly going to sort this out. Settings. Settings. Social Django. Ah, that's it. Should have been an underscore there. Sorry. Python manage.py run server. Remember, I did migrate the database previously, so if you did that, you need to migrate it again with an underscore. Okay, then you open your localhost server. And once you're in your server, I want you to try your custom domain name. It's going to give you an error. I just want to show you the error that it gives, and then I'm going to show you how to fix that error quickly. Okay, mysite.com. Okay, try that, and you'll get the following error: disallowed host. Now, it just means that you need to add mysite.com to allowed hosts. So go to your settings, allowed hosts, and then you add the following: mysite.com, as well as localhost, and finally just add the digits. And that's it. Once you've done that, this site should work perfectly. Okay, maybe we need to, let's run server again. Okay, it's reloading. Taking time. Okay, there it's running. mysite.com. And there you can see it's working. So there you have your custom domain name. It's no longer 127.0.0.1, but it's a custom domain name, which means you can implement social authentication and it would redirect to the correct site. I hope that helps you, and have a great day, you guys. Thanks a lot. Sorry for the errors and sorry for the slow laptop, but at least it gets it done. Thanks a lot.